Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. In this segment, we go take a look at the governor of Rivers State again, when be Nyesom Wike. Today, the headline says Wike wants to pay 50 million naira to anybody who can catch Rivers State's IPOB leader. Now, that one are for Wike. Before we bust into this news, I want to take this little opportunity talk to some Nigerian people when we say they are Buhari really go for medical checkup, or say according to the presidency say Buhari will come back very very soon. The news they tell us say Buhari is not coming anytime soon. That is Ona Buhari. They say he not they come anytime soon, so don't expect him to come back until whenever they choose for the person when be Buhari to come back. We don't know who the Buhari be, and we don't know the Buhari whether they take the shine everywhere. So, but now waiting the news they tell us now him Funky D they bring give Ona. Now another headline when they tell us see the Buhari when be Ona president say the man will come back from London anytime soon. That means the 2 weeks when they tell us say na him the man will stay, he will stay more than that, maybe like 3 months, 4 months, or 2 months, or 1 month. Nobody know for the presidency. Now only when the presidency say Buhari don't come back, now we say the person don't come back. And we don't know the person when won't come back or the person won't go London. We don't know the Buhari what they talk about. But now waiting the news when they emanate from Niger, the Nyan, now him from Kidi, they bring, they present to Ona. Okay? And there is another thing when I want point before we really dive into Nyesom Wike matter. Remember, say some years back, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, when the IPOB Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the man when they see tomorrow, the man when they predict waiting no prophets in this world they predict. The man when we say now only him be that person when they see road. Remember say some time ago, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu come out, come tell Nigerian people. That is before the 2019 World War election. Or thereabouts. So, Nnamdi Kanu come out, come make one expose about Atiku Abubakar. Say Atiku Abubakar not be Nigerian person. Say Atiku come from Cameroon. I think people when don't they follow me say Una don't hear when we air that news or hear where Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, the Nyan the matter, say Atiku now from Cameroon. Say now money when they come thief from Nigerian people, come become Nigerian vice president, with Uru and all those things. Remember, say that period during that 2019 election, the northern oligarchy, the northern men, the evil ones when they Nigeria, when don't bring Nigeria to its needs up to today. That is the Fulani people. They not buy the story, they not buy the news, they not buy the expose, they not buy the prophecy from Nnamdi Kanu. Anywhere in one puta, ladies and gentlemen, they not buy them during that 2019 election. But ladies and gentlemen, could you believe today when me and you dey now, somebody like Abubakar Malami, the fake Attorney General of the Federation, the AGF of Nigeria, today the news they tell us see Attorney General of the Federation when be Malami, the criminal Attorney General when we get in Nigeria. when don't loot Nigerian people back and forth, left and right, bomber to bomber, without mercy. Even though say Sahara reporters don't expose the man illicit wealth when the man get everywhere in Nigeria and in foreign countries. Till today, nobody make fame. Malami is going scot-free. Malami is going scot-free with the billions and trillions when the man don't loot. And the same Malami, na him be the same person when introduce or install the EFCC new boss. The same Malami. And nobody challenger till today. Remember, say, the other guy, what they call Tanko Muhammad, all of them are northern people, ladies and gentlemen. Now the thing where they talk, see, that country, I don't know how I want to work as one Nigeria. The country will not be one country. The country is a divided nation. It don't take, not be today the country divide. A big time divided nation. Okay? Now, Attorney General, when be the Malami now, they come out, they talk, say, in one deport Atiku Abubakar back to Cameroon. Say, Atiku Abubakar not be Nigerian person. Say, the man come from Cameroon. Another kudos to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Another boza to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Another woza to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for his expository. For his expositions. Yes. Malami now won't become Nigerian president, and Malami knows say Atiku Abubakar won't struggle as a Nigerian president with them in one drag grant, in one drag level with Nigerian people. Even that Malami himself is not from Nigeria. All these people, they are Fulani people from the Sahel. So these two people, then they drag grant when Malami vow say he must to deport Atiku Abubakar back to Cameroon to further confirm what Nnamdi Kanu don't expose since 2019. Don't try as Nnamdi Kanu. That man a man when they see the future. They see him well. So remember saying Nnamdi Kanu don't want Biafran people many times about how these oligarchy people, the terrorist people, will take invade the southeastern part of Nigeria. Now the thing when they happen today, after many years, when they don't want his brothers and sisters in America or in abroad all over the world, including the ones when they're in Nigeria. When Ohanes Ndigbo they sabotage the man fought every now and then. Thank God, say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't roll out the ESN main Eastern Security Network. Now, to Wiki, now Wiki matter now bring us down here. Say make I just, let Nigerian people know the top stories when they on board right now. Atiku Abubakar about to be deported to Cameroon. Why Buhari is no more coming back to Nigeria? In fact, Buhari in house arrest in London, according to Reno Omukri, the former aides to Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the former president of Nigeria, aka the Zoo. We can say anybody when bring him the head of the IPOB leader in Rivers State, say he go pay that person 50 million naira. So all these things now, when everybody don't expose the northern people, expose the Fulani people, their behavior, their fight, whether they fight to take over everywhere, we can still bend head. They fight against these people. They fight against IPOB people. But we never know the reason why Wiki want this man head. For inside this segment, we go know the reason why Wiki won't pay 50 million for anybody when bring down this man head. Remember, Wiki don't commit a lot of atrocities to Ndi Igbo people. And Wiki don't even put bounty on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu head. And that bounty, I don't know whether Wiki run leave the bounty. And remember again, as Wiki say Nnamdi Kanu roll out ESN. After some few months, Wiki go roll out his own security outfit. We want see who go fund or how they want to fund that Wike security outfit, because I know say corruption don't chop all the whole politicians, all the whole governors in Nigeria head, like the way when this thing they chop coconuts, the way when that is corruption don't chop all their head. Even though say the money dey, Wike will not pay those people. Wike will rather put that money. Now another way of corruption. Wike don't rule out for his people when be the River State people, in order to further deceive them. Say, now they cannot people are bad people. Now it won't be the good one. Look, no good politician in that Nigeria. In fact, Wike don't want Amechi say, make Amechi not they talk about River State in public. Otherwise, he go arrest Amechi Chibuike. So a lot of things when Wike dey yarn, when Wike not they even they know what in the yarn. The man don't already they confused, because it does say that one Nigeria when they sit down on top once one, you know, say them promise presidency. You know, say the presidency no go reach out. Where Abubakar Malami them they on top the whole thing. You know, say Abubakar Malami without his position, now he take they sabotage everybody. The man don't sabotage this guy when be the Jagaban of the whole criminals when they Nigeria, when be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He don't sabotage now. Atiku Abubakar now in one face. He don't sabotage the other guy when they call it Peter Obi. All of them, because in one become. And now them they sponsor this army people, aka the Boko Haram, go they keep Biafran people in order to cause confusion to Biafran people, in order to make them, to make them to submit to their demands. That is the 2023. Again, another news come out when they tell us say some groups when no want anything to zone the presidency to anywhere, but they all of them stitch on the restructuring. Restructuring, what we don't tell us, see, restructuring is going nowhere. It's dead on arrival. And now the same people, when go restructure the team, and then go still be on top of the affairs. Nothing go ever change. The restructuring itself, not be today. They begin to tell us say they want restructure. Even since one of Obasanjo then they empower. All those things now to further deceive Nigerian people. They know what that they do. But this time around before 2023, the people say no, now we get the power. We no go take any more. Now him dey on ground now. So Wike say he want the head of IPOB leader when come from River State. We go see the guy name when Wike they look for, and why in they look for the guy and waiting the guy doing. Remember say get some bandit people when kidnap one monarch in the River State. When they want the monarch, when they tell the monarch say making go drop message to people like Wike, say that they come for them on gunpoint. Wike want to pay 50 million to anybody who can catch River State IPOB leader. The River State governor, who is popularly known as Nyesom Wike, is ready to pay anybody who can catch or locate the River State IPOB leader, Stanley Mbere. Stanley Mbere. Now the guy named the River State IPOB leader. Ever since Wike made this announcement and declaration, lots of Nigerians have been generating different reaction on the internet. But which day when we don't see Wike come out, can't say in they put bounty to any houseman when kill anybody in Biafra land or in River State? No day, you don't ever hear that from him. Because they are all the efulefu people when we don't want. Now the people, the bagged eggs, when we don't talk, say then go clean them up at the right time. Now it be this the Wike people when they sabotage the effort of 200 million Nigerian people to liberate themselves freely. Free liberation. Because all of us still they in bondage. Now the people, when they sabotage the whole thing, be this one. Wiki never put any bounty. But herdsmen they in Rivers State, all angle, all area, the whole local government area in Rivers State, including the Mayati Allah chairman, they spread every nick and cranny in Rivers State. We never hear one day where Wiki say in they put bounty of those herdsmen people when they kill his people. We never hear them. Cool. So make we see how the whole thing take happen. Sahara Reporters. Governor Wike bans meeting of Igbo group in Rivers State. Sahara Reporters. Wike also declared a 50 million naira bounty on the leader of the pro-Biafran group, Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, in the Rivers State, Stanley Mbere. Just this evening, we received a report that the Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike banned meeting of Igbo group and also declared a 50 million naira bounty on a leader of the pro-Biafran group, Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, in Rivers State. According to a recent report that was made by Sahara Reporters, they took to their Twitter page and revealed how Rivers State Governor declared a 50 million bounty on a leader of the IPOB group in Rivers State. So, una don hear waiting that they tell us about Wiki and about Buhari and about how Malami want to bundle this man, Wemby, the former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, back to Cameroon. So, if una get anything when una one yan pertaining this Wiki, whether it get waiting this kind of people they take from KD worldwide, no, because these people are not sure say then they okay. I'm not sure say somebody like Wiki or the whole governors in Nigeria there, I'm not sure see then they okay. Both from the south, from the north, and from the west, from the east, all of them not the okay. Because with the comments when they come out from these people's mouth, you know, say man, even the Antichrist is even more better than them. They are wicked set of governors. I not blame them. The people when we see they blame, now they want Nigeria people. The zoo people, not be the governors. These people when allow these people or accept these people to be their governors. Now them be the people where they blame, not be the governors. We are tired of blaming the governors. Now we don't shift the blame to the Nigerian people. One love everybody. I see if we not get anything when we want yan pertaining all this analysis from Wiki to Atiku to Malami, and the Buhari when say come back again. Make una come now, come tell us, and don't forget to subscribe to Funky D's channel. One love everybody, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.